going on? I'm Officer Sarge, Bonnie Times Police Department, Bodycams on. Get your license, registration, proof of insurance, please. Listen, reason for the stop, you were like a couple feet away from that car in front of you.
We didn't see the, what's it called, in the front over there, the traffic stop. We didn't see the, construction front over there, the cones.
Okay, I mean, you were going extremely close with that,
Sorry, I'm just trying to get home. I got school in the morning.
You're good, and you crossed over the fog line a couple times. Where you guys come from?
New York.
New York?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you, stop signing that real quick so I can see real quick what bag? Where's my wallet?
Oh, you're dumping trail mix all over your bag.
Sorry, yeah, it's all open.
Did you smoke any weed today?
No, I'm just trying to see if I can see my wallet, but I can't really see where your flashlight is. Oh, sorry.
I'm just pointed straight down.
No, it's right here because she kind of dumped my wallet out.
Okay.
And where's your registration in this car? This isn't my car. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Is this your car?
Okay. And then do you have that proof of insurance? Why are you in the back seat? This is your,
She's tired. She kind of fell asleep. Here's the registration. Sorry about that. I didn't realize that. That was the paperwork.
Where are you guys headed to?
I'm coming to Little Lake Club in New Jersey.
You're headed to Little Lake?
Yeah.
How much do you have to drink tonight?
None.
None? Okay, you have a slight slur. You have some stuff on your shirt.
I'm kind of...
There's a lot of...
She kind of threw up on me earlier, so I'm kind of sick.
Okay. You're slurring pretty good there, too. Listen, I'll be right back. I'm going to go check your license.
Alright.
Probably going to have another officer come out here and check your eyes, make sure you're good to drive.
Alright.
And then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
You said you haven't smoked any weed today?
No.
Okay. There's a bong in there, right?
Yeah, it's in the bag. It's
Alright, no, you're good. I just seen it. It's completely legal to have, just not legal to drive on you, that's all.
She had it. I was kind of asleep. I was tired from New York.
Okay. What are you guys doing in New York?
Well, I was up in New York because I was trying to travel for cosmetology to get my license over there.
Oh, okay.
I was trying to change my license from New Jersey to New York.
Yeah.
But
You drove to New York? Where were you drinking at?
she was at her friend's house in Anthony's on 42nd Street.
You've been drinking since New York?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Alright, listen, I'll be right back, okay?
Alright. Sorry, officer.
No, you're good. Alright, like I said, I'm just having another officer come out. He's going to check your eyes, make sure you're good to drive, alright? What time did you guys leave in New York?
We kind of took the bus around. Hold on, I'll tell you actually.
Oh, you took the bus to...
Yeah, we are 20 minutes away from home. We kind of were like 2 hours away.
We took the bus out and then we came back here.
Oh, okay. Where'd you take the bus from?
From Times Square. But we took the bus from... we took an Uber. Hold on, I'm actually going to tell you. I'm sorry, this is so many apps. It's just...
46418.
Good.
Your subject Gina is currently valid for 1027. This provisional.
We left at 8:26 p.m.
Copy, thanks.
And it's currently 10:46.
Where was the bus stop at? Closest to here? I mean, would you...
620 8th Avenue, New York is where we got dropped off, and then we got dropped off at 10:02 p.m.
Oh, nice.
We took the bus
From Tom's River.
Oh, from Tom's River. Yeah, that was my question.
Yeah, from 400
Oh, okay.
Highland Parkway, Tom's River, New Jersey.
Okay. Alright. What's going on, guys? Alright, the other officers here, you just mind stepping out for me? And we're going to go right up on the sidewalk, so we're not, Watch your step, watch your step. You stay, oh, you just stop right there. Alright, I'm Officer Sawyer Barnegat, just so you know my camera is on, okay? What I'm going to ask you to do you have any problems with your eyes or anything like that? Okay. Go ahead and stand with your feet together, heels and toes touching, arms down at your side. Okay. You're not wearing any contacts now or anything like that, are you? Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this pen, okay? I want you to look at this pen with your eyes only. Don't move your head. Okay. I'm going to move this pen. Just follow it with your eyes only. Understand that? Don't move your head. We'll do the eye touch for you should you go out to drive. Did you drink tonight?
No.
You were not going to drive. You told me you were drinking. Keep following it. Okay. Are you lying to me?
Huh?
Are you lying to me?
No.
Your friend named Don Josh said you had a few beers, so why would she say that?
That was earlier in the day. That was around like 12 p.m.
Alright, well you already lied because I asked you if you drank today.
That was earlier in the day, though. That was like 12 p.m. in the afternoon.
4 out of 6.
Okay, I'm gonna run you through 2 more tests real quick, and then we'll go from there, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
And there it is. The classic, I haven't had anything to drink defense immediately falls apart. Officer Sawyer catches Gina Desiato in a clear contradiction after her friend spills the beans. Notice how the officers remain calm, systematically building their case through the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, where Gina already showed 4 out of 6 indicators of impairment. Lies rarely work on Bodycam, folks. What do you think? Should she have just been honest from the very start?
So the first test called the walk and turn test. Do you have any issues with your leg?
I kind of fell down the stairs earlier, last week, and I kind of bruised up the whole side of it.
Are you able to walk and turn?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay,
But
perfect.
it's going to limp on this leg over here.
Okay, just try the best you can, alright? Alright, so what I want you to do for this test, I want you to put your right foot in front of your left like this, heel to toe, and your hands down at your side. I want you to stay in this position until I explain and demonstrate the test. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. For this test, I want you to look at your feet the entire time. I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps in a straight line, counting each step out loud. Okay? On your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot planted. You're going to take a series of small...
Wait, what?
On your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot planted. You're going to take
Which would be like the right or whatever, dominant?
The one that's in front.
whatever one's in front after your 9th step, okay? Then you're going to take a series of small pivoting steps to turn around. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back in the opposite direction.
Okay.
Make sure you remember to stare at your toes the entire time and count each step out loud and meet heel-to-toe fashion, okay? Now I'm going to demonstrate it for you, like I said. Right foot, front and left, heel to toe, hands on your side, 9 this way, so 1, 2, 3. I did 3 for demonstration purposes, you're going to do 9, okay? Leave this lead foot planted, take a series of small pivoting steps like so, and then 9 back. 1, 2, 3. I did 3 for demonstration purposes, you're going to do 9. Okay? Do you understand the test in its entirety?
I understand.
Okay, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Barney 462, 10.
8, 9. Oh. Wait. Alright, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Was them on the traffic stop or at Walgreens?
Okay, perfect. All right, this next
I'm
test.
kind of nervous.
This next test is the one leg stand test. What I want you to do is put your feet together and lay your hands down at your side like this. All right. I want you to stay in this position until I explain and demonstrate the test. Do you understand?
Okay, yes,
Okay.
I understand.
Either foot of your choice, whatever you're better at balance with. You're gonna lift one foot off the ground, approximately 6 inches.
Okay.
You're gonna point your toe out, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. Okay.
Which way? This way or?
I'll show you also. Okay. But like I said, I want you to lift one foot up off the ground, approximately 6 inches. I want you to point your toe straight out, leaving your foot parallel to the ground. Okay? You're going to stare at your toe and count out loud using the 1-1000 method. So 1-1000, 2-1000, 3-1000, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Okay? And make sure when you're doing this test, you keep both your legs straight. Alright? So I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Alright? Hands on side like this. Either foot of your choice, doesn't matter. Approximately 6 inches off the ground. Toe straight out. Foot parallel to the ground. Stare your toe, count out loud. 1-1000, 2-1000, 3-1000. I count to 3-1000. You're going to count until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Do you understand the test in its entirety?
Yes.
Okay. You may begin. Wait, actually, 1 second. Joel, you mind keeping the timer for me?
Yes, just a second.
Or do you have? I don't have my phone on me. I'm just going to keep a timer to make sure we're good on time. All right? Really? I didn't know that. You understand this test in its entirety?
The 1-1000.
Okay. You may begin. Alright.
1-1000, 2-1000, 3-1000, 4-1000, 5-1000, 6-1000, 1-7. Wait, hold on.
Keep going.
Okay. 1-1000, 2-1000, 3-1000, 4-1000, 5-1000. Sorry. I'm gonna start my legs.
No, you're good. Keep going.
1-1000, 2-1000. Hold on. Sorry, my legs kind of like.
Just keep going until I tell you to stop, okay? Alright, you may stop.
Hold on.
No, you're good. You
No,
may,
I got it.
The test is over, okay? You're good.
Sorry, my legs.
How
kinda fucked
much have you had to drink?
up. Not much. You
What's
can breathalyze me.
what's
I got-
not much?
Like, I only had one beer at the bar, and that was at like 12 o'clock in the
You
afternoon.
didn't even tell me you went to a bar. You told me you went to New York to do cosmetology school.
Yeah, I did, but then I went to a tire to the bar.
Okay. You said that was around 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing on the way back? Okay. Alright, listen, what I want you to do is turn around and face away from me. You put your hands on top of your head. I'm placing you under arrest for suspicion of driving while intoxicated. Can you reach your right hand back to me? Reach your left hand back to me.
I'm Jersey Shore, where it's out with their ETA is.
So Joel, can you stay on her real quick? I got smaller cuffs here first. Yeah, I got you.
Copy, I'll go with that. You said go to the next one? I'll give them a call back in.
I'm just gonna take these off here real quick. I got smaller cuffs.
Copy that, I'll call them back.
If you could just circle the building counterclockwise to make sure it's clear of the roof, check 10-4. Copy that. Per 62 is clear.
Can we get the stuff out of there at least? Like our phones and stuff?
Yeah, we can grab whatever Barnegat 466 to grab, okay?
Alright.
You want your phone, you said?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
that DL64 sent you. Female 41, 1024.
Can she call her mother to pick up her car? It's not her car.
Okay.
Her mother is right
Alright, we're
Denver.
gonna go this way.
Hold on.
Nope,
Real-
no, there's no holding on. You're under arrest for DWI. Your car's getting towed as per
That's
John's
not
law.
my car.
Okay, if that doesn't matter, you chose to drive it.
Search you.
You chose to drive it, so.
You have anything on these stick me poke or anything like that? Okay. You have nothing on you at all? Up in this pocket? Alright, you can get in. What's in the car you need? Phone? Wallet?
Phone, there's a vape in there, and a wallet, and my license.
Phone, wallet. I have your license. You may step out. So hold your arm so you don't fall, okay? We're gonna walk right up to that door up there. Oh, we can walk the sidewalk.
As Gina is escorted into the station for further processing, the reality of the situation finally sets in. Driving under the influence, especially under the age of 21, carries massive legal consequences in New Jersey. Her alcotest would later reveal a BAC of 0.091%, well over the legal limit, leading to multiple citations and a mandatory vehicle impound under John's law. This serves as a stark, costly reminder of why you should never get behind the wheel after drinking. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.